Okay, let's get started with the design here. The first thing I want to impress upon you is when you're writing CSS, basically everything is a box. And what I want you to focus on, we're going to do this first section here that's all in this dark gray type color, is to start thinking in rectangles and squares, okay? So this is one area, and it's essentially just a giant box. That's all it is. Inside of this area, we're going to have another box. This is essentially going to be our content box. This is where all our content is going to live. Inside of that box is another box that essentially going to give us this area. Now, this area between this inner blue line and this outer blue line is called a gutter. And it's the distance typically between the edge of the page and the inner content. So when you get scrolled in here, or like the screen gets smaller, essentially this line is going to butt up against the side of your screen, and then right here is going to be what's called the gutter, and then our content is going to start here. So, and then we're going to have more boxes inside of this other area. So we're going to have like a top box here, which is going to contain the logo and the top menu. And then we're going to have a bottom box that's going to have this image thing, and it's going to have this search box and this text and these other buttons here. And then we can break down each of these sections into more boxes. So in this top area, we're going to have a logo, and that's going to be in one box. And then we're going to have a menu here. And it's actually going to be a box that kind of looks like this. Okay. Actually, these boxes are going to be slightly smaller, but I mean, they're boxes. I think you get the point here. And then each one of these menu items is going to be essentially kind of its own box, right? And this is just how to think about how you break all these things down. Everything is a box. Okay? And as we go through this, after we do like one or two sections, I mean, you'll understand this concept completely. So let's get started with building our initial boxes and kind of talk through the process as I go through it, and we'll write some introductory code. All right, see you in the next one.